Welcome back to Noodle Sprout friends. Cho, ever had a giant sneeze pop out of nowhere? A sneeze is when something tickles the inside of your nose, like dust, pepper, or even bright sunlight. Your nose sends a message to your brain, and then your body blasts out air super fast to push those tiny irritants away. Sneezing is like your body's way of saying, nope, you don't belong here, and guess what? Sneezes can travel over 100 miles per hour. Whoa, that's faster than a car on the highway. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's just your body's superpower cleaner at work. Thanks for watching Noodle Sprout. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.